So we are out here today with Greyson Maas at the Titanium Strip, who is our Sunset Showdown race number 1 for Junior Thunder champion from last night. As well, it was Greyson's first ever win in the Junior Thunder category. So Greyson kind of new to us here. He just started racing last year and become a full-timer this year. So how you feeling getting your first win last night?
Well, it was just. Well, first of all, I got this. This thing is amazing. This thing is amazing. And it just really felt good.
You know what? It does feel really good to win. So on your way there, do you remember any of the rounds, anything particular that you thought maybe you weren't going to win, but then you did pull off the win and you're like, yeah, I got some luck there?
Yeah, like there was and maybe in the second round, I thought I was a little bit too behind when I left and my light wasn't really good, but yeah,
And you managed to pull it off at the end of the track,
to
though.
pull it off, yeah.
Hey, that's all that matters, right? Because there ain't no pictures, as they say, there ain't no pictures on the time slip. All that matters is that you get the win on there.
Yeah.
So congratulations on your first win, and hopefully you get many more.
Thank you very much.